Hello, food lovers. Welcome to Let's Talk About Food. Today, we are diving deep into the world of medicinal foods, specifically those that support our immunity. And where better to focus than India, where ancient wisdom has gifted us an incredible lineup of immune boosting ingredients. So, whether you're a culinary enthusiast, a health seeker, or someone just curious about the magic of Indian superfoods, stay tuned as we journey through some powerful ingredients from the Indian kitchen that can help keep our immune system strong. First, let's talk about immunity itself. Our immune system is a complex network that protects us from infections, diseases, and all those tiny pathogens that constantly try to invade our bodies. And in India, the concept of immunity isn't just modern science. It's been embedded in our culture for centuries. Ancient texts like the Charaka Samhita, one of Ayurveda's foundational books, emphasize Rasayana, a concept about promoting vitality and longevity through food, herbs, and lifestyle. Our ancestors knew a thing or two about health, and their knowledge has passed down to us through family recipes, herbal concoctions, and time tested practices. Let's explore some of these ingredients, many of which are already in our kitchens. Let's begin with one of the most celebrated Indian spices, turmeric or haldi. Known for its bright yellow color, turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti inflammatory properties, which are key to boosting our immune function. What's amazing is that simply adding a pinch of turmeric to warm milk, creating the famous haldi doodh or golden milk, can work wonders for your immunity. And here's a tip, add a pinch of black pepper too. The piperine in black pepper enhances the absorption of curcumin, making this ancient remedy even more effective. Next up is ginger or adrak. Whether it's added to our chai or used in curries, ginger is more than just a flavor booster. It has powerful anti inflammatory and antioxidant effects which help improve immune response. If you feel a cold coming on, try making a simple ginger tea with honey and lemon. Your throat and immune system will thank you. Now let's talk about tulsi or holy basil. Tulsi is revered in Indian households not just for its spiritual significance but for its health benefits. Rich in vitamin C and zinc, tulsi is fantastic for immunity. A daily cup of tulsi tea can help protect you from infections and respiratory issues. It is antiviral, antibacterial, and even antifungal, making it one of nature's most potent immunity boosters. While turmeric, ginger, and tulsi might be familiar, let's explore a couple of lesser known Indian superfoods that deserve the spotlight. I'm sure you have heard of amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry. This small green fruit packs a punch with vitamin C, one of the highest natural sources of it. Just one amla contains as much vitamin C as 20 oranges. Vitamin C is crucial for immunity as it stimulates white blood cell production, which helps fight infections. You can consume amla as a juice, a chutney, or even dried with a sprinkle of black salt as a tangy snack. Another fascinating ingredient is ashwagandha. Known as Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is a potent adaptogen which helps our body manage stress. And when our stress levels are down, our immune system is generally stronger. You can take ashwagandha in a powder form, mixing it into warm milk at night, which helps with both immunity and sleep quality. Now, one of the simplest ways to boost immunity is through everyday spices. In fact, the garam masala blend, a staple in Indian kitchens, contains spices like cinnamon, cloves, black pepper, and cardamom. These spices aren't just flavor, they're full of antioxidants which protect our cells from damage. Each of these spices has unique properties. Cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, cloves have antiseptic properties, and cardamom aids in digestion and reduces inflammation. You don't need to make complex recipes to benefit from these spices. Adding a small amount to your tea, rice, or soups can do the trick. Now, let's talk about some easy, practical ways to incorporate these foods into your daily diet. A morning immunity shot. Start your day with a warm glass of water, a dash of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and a squeeze of lemon. It's a simple immunity booster you can make in seconds. Next comes spice tea or kada. Make a simple herbal kada by boiling water with tulsi leaves, ginger, cloves, and a bit of cinnamon. Sip on this especially during the winter months for an immune boost. Amla chutney or juice. Use fresh amla in a smoothie or make a tangy chutney. It's a great way to get your daily dose of vitamin C. Golden milk at night. A glass of turmeric milk with ashwagandha powder can be a soothing and immunity boosting way to end your day. Remember, building immunity isn't just about one ingredient or one meal, it's about consistency. These foods work best when they are part of your daily routine, supporting your body over time. And that's a wrap on today's episode. Indian cuisine and culture offer so many ways to keep our bodies resilient, and these superfoods and spices are nature's gifts for our health. The beauty of these ingredients is that they are accessible, affordable, and part of our everyday lives. So, next time you reach for a spice or a leafy herb, remember that it's not just about adding flavor, it's adding immunity to your day. Thanks for tuning in to Let's Talk About Food. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share your own immunity boosting tips or favorite recipes. Until next time, stay healthy, stay flavorful, and never stop exploring the magic of food.